going to give you trouble. Other day I was just discussing with one group in one corporate, and some guy, he had left the job, and I think I already had a talk, I don't know, I'll just share it again. So he said that he left the job and he gave 10 years to the company, and when he left the job, what the company gave me, and I have given my 100% to that company, and it's not that we shared this? And he said that I've given my 100%, the company did not give me anything. क्या हुआ जब छोड़ा तब today I am jobless at the age of 35-40 years, and that girl was sharing all this thing, and she was feeling very low about now what to do in life, because at the age of 40-45 and now you are hunting for another job, which becomes very difficult. So she was sharing that, and I just told her one thing, that when you were having that job for 10 years, you were so comfortable in the job, you were giving 100%. Because you were comfortable, there was nobody telling you anything. When the time came, there's somebody better than you came in, and then he felt that you are just doing one small thing where he can do much more, and you were kicked out and you were replaced by somebody else. You were replaced by somebody else. Now you are crying for not. Now what was the problem? She wasn't aware of what she said. Now there you cannot say I give 100% to the company. You were just comfortable over there. हर महीने आता था, सुबह को जाते थे, शाम को घर पे आते थे. If you were aware, you would have grown much higher. You would have jumped the places, not as a company, but in that position. Like today she is joined as a clerk, tomorrow she could have been a manager, because she is ready to learn and she is just yours. She is listening everything. She is just open to learning. But she was very comfortable in what she was doing. So she didn't grow, and then she was replaced by somebody else. That time you cannot say that I gave 100%. But once you are a student, you are learning everything, you are just open, then you are ready to move in life. There is no fear coming. Because you know what you are doing. You do not care for others. Anywhere, in your personal life, with your family life, you have to give 100%, but with awareness. If you give donation also, and because they are poor guys and they need money, don't give donation. They don't need money. Because India is such a beautiful place where the poor people will eat once and they have a smile on the face, where you won't see this anywhere else in the world. He's sitting, he doesn't have a house, he sleeps under a bridge, but he has a smile on his face, he's hungry. That's the only place in the world is India. Because we are spiritually very high. But somewhere the conditioning has taught us that for my hunger, for my bad luck, or for my whatever, I am not responsible. It is him. And if you are not responsible, it is God. A very soft target, wonderful target. Because he's not going to come and tell you anything. So God is the best thing we can do. मर गया तो भगवान ने मार डाला. As if he's a murderer. हाँ, भगवान की मर्जी थी. तुमको दुख हुआ, भगवान की मर्जी किधर से थी? It's like that. So our fears are our own created, our own conditioning, and only way, just we watch the fear, take a deep breath, watch the fear. Yes, I am fearful. Let me face it. And face it. Whatever result comes, be responsible. I faced it, मार खाना पड़ा, मार खाया, दूसरा गाल भी देंगे. Just face it. And do not care for anybody for that. It's your life. You have to grow. Whatever strength you have. Otherwise, you will be used by somebody else. It can be any political leader, or it can be because everybody is using you because you have fear. Till you have a fear, they'll be using you. Just be responsible for yourself. Watch your fear and face it. No spiritual guru can help you. कि वो ब्लेस करेगा तो मैं ऐसा होगा. कोई नहीं कर सकता कि इसमें इतनी ताकत नहीं है. किसी में भी ताकत नहीं है. क्योंकि जो ताकत आप में है, if I am doing something to you, I am using your ताकत for you. I just have to awaken you. To awaken you, I have to break your ego. If your guru is hurting your ego all the time, you understand one thing, he is a right guy to teach you. If he's using all flowery words, very good बच्चा, keep it up, समझ लो कि वो आदमी आपको कभी आगे नहीं लेके जाएगा. He is not supposed to give प्रवचन. For that you can just switch on the TV. Wonderful. सुन लो, चले जाओ. कोई गाली भी नहीं दे सकते उधर. One way traffic. If somebody can hit you, can slap you, he's the right person. That guy can only, because you have to break your ego. You have to. Then if you can't stand, if you go away from that, you go away. That's all. Then you look for somebody where you are comfortable. It's like the 10 years job, and then you'll cry. So are you getting this point? Any questions? I'm looking at that. My ears are thirsty. Any questions? Question? Jignama?
Sometimes when you understand yourself and you see yourself in the other person, then you see and you have no expectation.
Yes.
That is a process of enlightenment.
That is enlightenment. See, if I see one thing, the process of meditation is to teach you to love yourself. Once you know that my self is beautiful, 100% perfect, without any fault, and for that self you are not depending on anybody. You are depending for the sources from other people. But for the self, your heart is beating on its own, your mind is running on its own, your eyes are watching on its own, everything. One day what happened, the body, just share one small story. The body started thinking, ये हाथ ने सोचा, my hands, because of my hands, this stomach is filling up, it's been filled. So, and this stomach is not doing anything. So the leg said, yes, I also work hard, I walk and I do all this thing, and the stomach is not doing anything, he's just relaxing, he's enjoying. Then the eyes said, because I see beautiful things and I tell the hands and legs to do things and they do, so I also cooperate everything. The stomach is not doing anything, and they said that we'll make a force and we go against the stomach and we'll go on a strike. They went on a strike. Eyes stopped watching, nose started going little slow, relaxed, and hands stopped watching, legs stopped doing his leg. After some days, this guy was not getting anything. There was no energy coming in. This guy started becoming weaker, and because of this guy becoming weaker, everything became weaker. Then they realized this, that we were just living because this guy was being fed very well. It was being fed very well. In the process, in the living, we are feeding our egos, and we think that we are doing everything. Because if they thought that we are doing and this guy is not doing anything, similarly, that is the kind of life we live. We don't cooperate at something. We see our seniors, bosses and everything like that. If they are idiot, wonderful, they are idiot because they are suffering. Because if I am a boss and I have 10 people working under me, I am going to behave nasty because that's my nature. But then I have to handle 10 people. But one person among 10, she is the one who is suffering. And she has to handle only one person. So for her it is much easier. But my fear is so much that I have kept under control. I am using her fear, it's not my fear. That is what we do. Now when I understand myself, there is something which is all together as one, working for my beautification, inner beautification. And I start loving myself. I eat something which is helping me to grow. I think something which is helping me to grow. I do every action which is helping me only. For me only. I am very selfish. But in that selfishness I am not harming anybody. Now what happens? I start loving myself. Then I know that jo mere mein hai, whatever is within me, the same thing is that lady, this man, everything is same. Their thoughts are different. They are not thinking like me. Now I start seeing myself in that person and I start loving him as me only. No complaints. I just go and hug them. That's all. Game over. I am full of love. And when you have that kind of thought, nobody can harm you because your aura is so powerful, it will automatically envelop other people and they will come with you. It will be difficult for them to resist you because you will be so powerful. आपको कुछ मांगना नहीं, कुछ देना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं. आप देंगे मगर लेंगे नहीं. You will give. You're all giving. That's all. Because if you're giving to something, you're giving to yourself. And when you arise to that, then you will love everybody and you will see something that let me do something for myself. Because you cannot help anybody else in this world. You can only help self. Then you become a healer. Yeah.
सब तो हम लोग जब स्पिरिचुअल लेवल में आ जाते हैं तब हम लोग अपने आप मतलब हर आत्मा, हर प्राणी, हर जीव को प्रेम कर ही मतलब ये स्वाभाविक होता है.
हाँ, अपने आप से.
नेचुरल प्रोसेस.
हाँ, मगर हमको पहले अपने को समझना है. हम लोग क्या करते हैं ये प्रोसेस में आने के लिए. सी वन थिंग, वी जंप टू गुरुज. द डर्टीएस्ट प्रोसेस वी गो थ्रू, वी जंप थ्रू गुरुज. हाँ, नो गुरु कैन टेक यू एनीवेयर. अंडरलाइन दैट. लाइफ में कोई गुरु आपको कहीं नहीं लेके जा सकता है. हाँ, क्योंकि गुरु आपको उतना ही प्यार करना चाहिए जितना आप अपने आप को करते हो.
अपनी आत्मा को भी बॉडी.
कोई आत्मा वात्मा नहीं है, भूल जाओ. ये सब मिथ है, सब जमा किया हुआ है. कोई आत्मा नहीं है, जो भी है एक ही है. तो मैं जब अपने आप को प्यार करूंगा तो मैं उसी को प्यार कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं वो हूँ. मेरे अलावा कोई है ही नहीं इस दुनिया में. प्रेम की गली, वो कबीर ने बोला था, प्रेम की गली, द लेन ऑफ लव इज सो स्मॉल दैट टू पीपल कैन नॉट एंटर ओवर दैट. दैट मीन्स दैट इफ आई एम एंटरिंग विथ एवरीबडी, आई एम एंटरिंग एज वन. देयर इज नोबडी एल्स बिसाइड मी. But when I see that I love an animal, I am seeing it as a two. I do not love any animal. I do not love you also, because I am loving myself only. It's just a form which is given a name, so I call you with that name. But I am loving myself only. You have to arrive to that stage to understand self, which is not outside you. There is nothing outside you. To make money, wonderful. You should become richest man on the earth. Work hard. Be responsible. Because till you do not become responsible, till that time you cannot become spiritual also. And once you are responsible for everything on this earth. I am responsible for the end. I am responsible for you, her, everybody. I am responsible. Because you are me. I am responsible for myself. Then only you can think of doing some social work. Otherwise, don't do. किसके ऊपर दया मत खाओ लाइफ में. सोचो भी मत कि सोशल वर्क करने का. तुम अपने आप को बेवकूफ़ बना रहे हो, अपने ईगो को बूस्ट कर रहे हो. कोई सोशल वर्क नहीं कर सकते. पॉलिटिशियन बन सकते हैं, पार्टी खड़ी कर सकते हैं, स्टेज बना सकते हैं, भाषण दे सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. असतो मा सत्कमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Thank you everybody. Love you.
न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ. अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी छोटी छोटी सी बात. न जाने क्यों, न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ. अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी छोटी छोटी सी बात. न जाने क्यों वो अनजाने पर ढल गए कर आज वो रंग बदल बदल मन को
अनजान पर ढल गए कल आज वो रंग बदल बदल मन को मचल मचल रहे हैं छल न जाने क्यों वो अनजान पर सजे बिना मेरे नैनों में टूटे रे हाय रे सपनों के महल न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों वही है डगर वही है सफर है नहीं साथ मेरे मगर अब मेरा हम सफर इधर उधर ढूंढे नजर वही है डगर वही है सफर है नहीं साथ मेरे मगर अब मेरा हम सफर इधर उधर ढूंढे नजर वही है नगर सजे बिना मेरे नैनों में कहाँ गए मेरे मद भरे वो मेरे वो दिन गए किधर न जाने क्यों होता है ये जिंदगी के साथ अचानक ये मन किसी के जाने के बाद करे फिर उसकी याद छोटी छोटी सी बात न जाने क्यों जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में लाओ छोड़ना मेरा साथ जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.